learn how to make modern long periodic table by your own. We know that in modern periodic table there are 18 groups. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. And 7 periods, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at first make such type of a flowchart where 7 period and 18 groups are present. Pause the video and make the chart. Okay, now start. Remember one thing, that in period 1 there are 2 elements, in period 2 there are 8 elements, and 3 also, 2 and 3 8 elements, 4 and 5 18 elements, and in 6 and 7 there are 32 elements. Okay, now let's start filling. At first we shall fill group 1 elements. Now first one is hydrogen. Now fill group 1 elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. And next we fill this beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These group 1 elements are known as alkali metals and group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metal. From period 2 we start beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Are you understand, student? Now from group 3 to 12, now we fill group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, and then we fill group 3 to group 12. So come to group 13. Here boron is present and these group 13 elements are known as boron family. So fill group wise boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Next is carbon family: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Next is nitrogen family: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Next is oxygen family: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Next is halogen family: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, arsenic. Next is helium. This is noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So from group 13 to group 18, these all groups are known as p block elements. From group 13 to group 18 they are known as p block elements, and the general configuration of them are NS2, NP1 to 6. NS2, NP1 to 6, and group 1 and group 2 are known as S block element, and the general configuration of them is NS1 to 2. Now from group 3 to group 12 they are known as D block element. From group 3 to group 12 they are known as D block element, and the general configuration of them are NS1 to 2, N-1D, 1 to 10. So now we fill D block elements and we start from period 4 and group 3. So from here they are calcium 20. From here we start scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Now we fill group wise. In group 3 we fill scandium yttrium, lanthanum and actinium. Group 4, titanium, zirconium, hafnium. In group 5, vanadium, niobium, tantalum. In group 6, chromium, molybdenum, tungsten. In group 7, manganese, technetium, rhenium. In group 8, iron, ruthenium, osmium. In group 9, cobalt, rhodium, iridium. In group 10, nickel, palladium, platinum. In group 11, copper, silver, gold. In group 12, zinc, cadmium and mercury. So, this is the modern periodic table. Here S block, D block and P block are present. Now, come to the atomic number. So, to calculate atomic number, we have to remember the magic number. And the magic number for group 1 and 2 is 288, 18, 18, 32. 288, 18, 18, 32. This is the magic number for group 1 and group 2. So, come here. For hydrogen, the atomic number is 1. Now, next is lithium and the magic number is 2. So, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and the atomic number of lithium is 3. Next is sodium. Here 3 and the next magic number is 8. So, 3 plus 8 equal to 11 and the atomic number of sodium is 11. Next is potassium and next magic number is also 8 and 11 plus 8 equal to 19. So, the atomic number of potassium is 19. Next is rubidium and the next magic number is 18. So, 19 plus 18 equal to 37. Next is cesium and the next magic number also 18. So, 37 plus 18 equal to 55 and the atomic number of cesium is 55. Next magic number is 32. So, 55 plus 32 equal to 87 and the atomic number of francium is 87. So, thus we get the atomic number and we can calculate easily. Are you understand? Now, come to group 2. The atomic number of lithium is 3. So, the atomic number of beryllium is 4. The atomic number of sodium is 11. So, for magnesium it is 12. Calcium it is 20. Strontium it is 38. Barium it is 56. And radium it is 88. Now, come to the P block element. The atomic number of helium is 2 and boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the magic number for P block element are 8, 18, 18, 32. 8, 18, 18 and 32. So, at first come to the noble gases. First one is 8. So, 2 plus 8 equal to 10 and the atomic number of neon is 10. Next is argon. 10 plus 8, 18. Next is krypton. 18 plus 18 equal to 36. Next is xenon. 36 plus 18 equal to 54. And next is radon. 54 plus 32 equal to 86. Now come here. For boron it is 5. So 5 plus 8 equal to 13. So the atomic number of aluminium is 13. Now 13 plus 18 equal to 31. And the atomic number of gallium is 31. Next is 18. 31 plus 18 equal to 49. And the atomic number of indium is 49. And for thallium it is 49 plus 32, 81. So we get this. So for aluminum it is 13. So for silicon it is 14. For phosphorus it is 15. Sulfur 16. Chlorine 17. Similarly, aluminium 31. germanium 32, arsenic 33, selenium 34, bromine 35. Similarly, indium 49, tin 50, antimony 51, tellurium 52, indium 53, lead 82, bismuth 83, polonium 84, and arsenic 85. So we completed P block elements and S block elements. Now come to D block elements. Now here for calcium it is 20. So next is scandium 21, titanium 22, vanadium 23, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, cobalt 27, nickel 28, copper 29, and zinc 30. And here yttrium 39, zirconium 40, niobium 41, molybdenum 42, technetium 43, ruthenium 44, rhodium 45, palladium 46, silver 47, and cadmium 48. And lanthanum here 57. Remember this thing, after lanthanum there are 13 elements which possesses from A block. So we write them below the periodic table. They are called lanthanoid elements. After lanthanum, the atomic number of lanthanum is 57. So after lanthanum, from 58 to 71, the 13 elements from 58 to 71, these 13 elements possesses from A block elements. So they are written below the periodic table. So here we write the lanthanoid elements which are A block elements. And after 71, here we write hafnium, and the atomic number of hafnium is 72. Are you understand? This is 57 and for hafnium it is 72. Next is tantalum, next tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, and mercury. This is 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. And here after radium this is present actinium, and the atomic number of actinium is 89. And after actinium there are also 13 elements which are known as actinoid elements, and they also possesses from A block elements, from thorium to lawrencium. There are 13 actinoid elements and 13 lanthanoid elements. So let's see. In 51 it is cerium. Next is Pr59, praseodymium. Next is Nd60, neodymium. Next is Pm61, promethium. Next is Sm62, samarium. Next is 63 Eu, europium. This is Gd, gadolinium. Next is Tb, terbium. Next is Dy, diprasium. Next is Ho, holmium. Er, erbium. Tm, thulium. Next is ytterbium, and Lu, lutetium. This is the lanthanoid elements, and the actinoid elements are thorium, Pa, protactinium, U, uranium, Np, neptunium, Pu, plutonium, Am, americium, Cm, curium, Bk, berkelium, Cf, californium, Es, einsteinium, Fm, fermium, Md, mendelevium, No, nobelium, and Lr, lawrencium. And the general configuration of A block elements are Ns2, N-1, D, 0 or 1, and n minus 2 f 1 to 14. So this is the modern periodic table. This is S block element group 1 and 2. From group 3 to group 12 they are known as D block element, and they also called transition element rather than group 12. Group 3 to group 11 they are transition element, but group 12 are not transition element, and group 13 to group 18 they are called P block element. Group 13 to group 18 they are P block element, and here the lanthanoids elements and actinoid elements possesses from A block elements, and this is there, and the atomic number of 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 71, and from here 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102 and 103. So students, I think you all understand the modern periodic table, and you can easily make it in your exercise book. This periodic table, this flowchart is made by me. Thank you.